Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you another budget home decorating videos. Now some of these are Kmart hacks again, and others are just using products that you may have already around your home or are really easy, cheap and accessible to pick up even online. I hope you all enjoy the video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I do home decorating, home organization and a little bit of cleaning here. Okay, for the first hack, you're gonna need a cleaning product or bottle or something that you've got around the house already. So think cleaning bottles or pump bottles or something like that. So today I'm actually going to be using this one here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to get my Cricut machine and I'm gonna print a new label for that, and I'm gonna remove the label on this one. So if you don't have a Cricut machine, you can still do something like that. You could have a look online at places like Little Label Co. or Pretty Little Designs and order your labels through them. The other one was this bottle here from Kmart. So this was $5 for this, and this was a body wash. So you've actually got the body wash in here for $5 and the pump bottle. So that's actually cheaper than a lot of places will sell the pump bottle by itself online, and to think about, like, shipping's usually $10 anyway. So $5 and you get the lotion in it. And then they also sell these here for $3 for this whole entire pack. So today we're actually going to remove the label from this one as well and put this on here. Now you can see all the sticky residue on there, so I'm just going to get all of that off with the eucalyptus oil. Now you can use lemon essential oils as well, and I've also heard that just normal or vegetable oil will get it off, but I haven't actually tried that one. So if you've tried that, leave a comment below and let others know if it works, and let me know if it works. It's going to be a lot cheaper than buying this sort of stuff.
Honey, can we catch some floating fireflies? Let them light our way tonight.
Okay, just a pre-warning, if you do this, it takes forever to get the sticky stuff off. So basically you're just going to want to look where the seam is on your bottle. So the seam's there, so you're not going to want that at the front because you don't really want to be seeing that. And then you're just going to grab your sticker and just place it in the middle. And that is done. And that is the end result. I think it looks pretty cool for like $8, and you still have heaps more labels left, and you even have product in there. I think that is a pretty cool hack, and you could even stick the writing down the middle if you really wanted to, either way you wanted to do it. But that is just a quick little Kmart hack. And that is the end result for this one. I probably should have made the writing like coming closer together or like a little bit smaller, but yeah. And you can get all different fonts and stuff like that on your Cricut machine. These are just so time consuming though. To be honest, I'm finding my machine a bit of a waste of money, and I actually prefer just to pay for someone to label them. But anyway, that is just another little hack that you can do for your cleaning bottles. So this next DIY hack that I have for you involves a tile and a photo. So you don't have to use a photo, you can just use anything that you really like, so like a poster or something like that. So something that you want the print of to transfer onto the tile. So I'm just using a 300 by 300 tile and a 30 by 30 centimeter tile. So we're actually going to put this on the wall as well, so I will show you how to do that as well. Okay, so you are just going to need a photocopy of the actual photo, because photos are like waterproof, so that's not going to work if you use a normal photo. So the first thing we're going to do is put glue on this one, and then we're actually going to put glue onto the tile. So you need to make sure that your photo is free of anything like cat hair or anything like that. It looks like it's actually photocopied with a hair on it and something blue up there. But just another tip for you as well, when you are photocopying is to make sure that you put it on color. Even though it's black and white, it actually comes out much better when it was on color, I found, because when I did the black and white it just didn't look right. So I actually went ahead and photocopied it in color and it looked so much better. So just a bit of a tip for you for that one. And now that all the bubbles are out, we are just going to put something on top of this and let it dry for about 8 hours.
You see my skin, yeah, the one I'm living in. Hey, it's the only one I get. I think it's time to show some love for it, 'cause I love.
Okay, so this is how it's turned out. And my advice is to rub up and down with your fingers. So grab your cloth that you're using, like your microfiber cloth or whatever it is that you're using, and squeeze all the water out of it first and wipe over it a few times until the water is like soaked in a little bit, and then just rub up and back, or even in a circular motion's fine as well. So if you are putting heaps of water on it like I did on my first attempt, you are going to end up with big holes like everywhere. As you can see, there's no big holes in it, but you can see like there is bits of paper still on it. But I think it gives it like that really cool look to it. So I'm not actually going to try and take off any more paper. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So now we actually just need to seal the front of this, and then we need to add our contraption to the back of this so that we can actually hang it on the wall.
I wanna let my soul shine, wanna let my soul shine. Yeah, I wanna live my life, burning like a wildfire. I wanna let.
Now while we're waiting for that to dry, I've just got some pine. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect, I've just cut it, and because no one's gonna see it, it doesn't matter as long as you've sanded it enough that it's smooth and it's not going to give someone a splinter when they're taking it off the wall. So all we're going to do here is we're just going to grab some of these hook things. So these are from the picture framing kits that you get from like Kmart or like cheap shops and stuff, seen in cheap shops. So we're just going to screw that there and another one there, and then we're just going to put the wire across. So that is going to be our hanger. And the reason why we've actually got two is because if you're just gluing like one to the top, when it sits on the wall, it's going to sit like on an angle. So we're going to glue one at the top and one at the bottom, just so that it sits nice and flat on the wall. And this is the end result, guys. I am so happy with how it is turned out. It is just so adorable, and I'm hoping my dad is gonna love this for Father's Day. If I do end up giving it to him, I'm totally in love with it, to be honest. So it's gonna be hard to part with this one. The next hack that I have for you is this picture frame behind me. Now I actually did purchase this from a garage sale a long time ago, and the matting inside it has gone yellow. So if you have any picture frames around the house that definitely need some attention, then this could be a way that you can bring it back to life again. And also if you like op shopping, there is no reason why you can't paint the outside of the frame as well as the matting that is in the inside. And this is the difference. I'm running out of daylight here, but the large one has not been done and the small one has been done. So look at how much better it looks. It's just amazing. It actually makes it look like a whole new piece. So the paint that I have used is this paint here. It's from Spotlight and it's just a pearl white. So I wanted something just that little bit different to go with the metallic look on the outside of the frame.
We never stand a chance. Don't stand a chance. I feel the night behind me.
And this is how this one turned out. It didn't turn out as white as the other ones. And I think that is because when I did buy this, that all sort of went yellowish, and this is a different color. So I just tried to pick an ivory one. So I think that was the reason why, because it is different matting. So the other ones have come out a lot whiter than what this one did, but it is definitely a vast improvement on what it was, and it doesn't really cost you anything to get a bit of paint out and to give it a bit of a spruce up. So this next little decorating thing is not really a hack, but I'm going to share it with you anyway because it's kind of cool, and I know lots of people like fairy lights, so I'm just going to add some fairy lights behind this canopy here. My daughter wants a magic room, and she's already got a princess room, which she said she wants a princess magic room, so I'm going to make some magic happen in here, and I think we could all use a little bit of magic right now. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. This could also be applied for like teenagers' rooms as well. I have seen a lot of teenage rooms where they put all the fairy lights around the bed head, for instance, or they have like a photo wall with all their friends and family, and they've got like twinkle lights around that, which I think is pretty cool. So this will just give you an idea, if you don't know how to do it, sort of how to do it and sort of what it's going to really look like. So I'm just going to use these 3M hooks here and basically just stick them to the wall. Okay, so this is what I had to end up doing. I can see it better with the lights on, so I'll just turn the lights on, but you can see it's a bit of a hot mess behind here. It looks pretty shocking. It's a bit of a far back to get you a bit more of a view. I have ended up having to use some picture hooks just because these little clear hooks that I did have weren't doing the job on this wall. I think it's because it's that like real shiny finish and they're just not sticking to it. So I don't actually believe it is because of these. I do think it's because of the wall. It's just not adhering to it properly. So I'll show you the end result. And this is the end result. Hopefully I get my little princess's tick of approval for this one. And this is what it's going to look like with the lights off. Obviously the window's open, so it's going to look even better, but gives you a bit of an idea. Thank you all for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my small channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye.